Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English National School, Morning Shift. Our today's topic is creative question 1 and 2 from chapter 6. Dear student, I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. So let's get started our class. From this chapter, here are given two creative question answer. Number 1 number questions. Mamun studies in class 6. He can solve problems with his intellect and sense of justice. He does well in the exams. However, he is going through physical and emotional changes that occur during puberty. Number 1. A number questions. What is emotion? B. What do you understand by acceptable social behavior? And C. Explain the ways to increase Mamun's intellect. D. Give your opinion on the significance of Mamun's mental growth in attaining success. Question number A. Answer of these questions is when an external event we experience arouses our feelings, for example, smile, tears, anger, joy, fear, affection, etc. These feelings or expressions are called emotions. And number B, what do you understand by acceptable social behavior? The answer of these questions is our character reflects through our etiquettes. Living in a society requires behaving in a certain way which is acceptable to all. For instance, friendliness, respect, participation in good works, kindness, obeying rules, etc. All adverbs of social behavior. Number C, explain the ways to increase Mamun's intellect. Number C, answer. People can cope up with the surroundings by their strong mental capabilities. The ways to increase Mamun's intellect are given below. Here needs space. Okay. Number A, by reading different types of books, newspaper besides textbooks. B, looking for answers to satisfy curiosity. We can satisfy our curiosity by reading books. C, number 3, understanding the matters or situation before solving the problems. Number 4, understanding own responsibilities through group discussion. Number 5, to remember something, he has to observe carefully and listen attentively. 6, taking interest in current affairs. Number 7, by participating in different types of works. 8, exchanging ideas through group works. And D, give your opinion on the significance of Mamun's mental growth in attaining success. Number D, for the development of a child, certain issues have to be taken care of to ensure physical and emotional well-being. These developments help a child attain success. Mamun reads poems, stories and newspapers. Before memorizing, he reads his books thoroughly. In addition, he exchanges his opinions with classmates and tries to understand his responsibilities through group discussion and group works. He pays attention to the class lectures. When he is curious or is in doubt, he asks for answers politely. Such behavior makes him aware of his life and his surroundings, thus making him attain success in life. Number 2, creative question number 2. Raju is now in class 6. His mother has been noticing over the recent few days that he quarrels with his younger sister throughout the day. He becomes angry when asked to sit for study. He starts throwing various things here and there. A, what is the adolescent age limit? B, what do you mean by moral development? C, explain what characteristics are noticed in Raju's behavior. And D, how can boys and girls of Raju's age change their behavior? Explain clearly. A, answer. Generally 10 or 11 years of age or from the end of the last stage of childhood to the stage of 18 years is called adolescence. Number B, what do you mean by moral development? Morality means controlling one's own behavior by one's own self. Morality develops based on the ideas right or wrong behaviors generated from the family. Morality means pursuance of the social and religious rules and regulation. And number C, the impact of negative aspects of emotion can be seen in Raju's behavior. Excess of emotion causes mass harm of us. Adolescence is characterized by excess of emotions. Uncontrolled emotions cause distracted attention from our studies. It makes us suffer from sleeplessness and causes obstacle in our daily work. Raju does not have the capability to control his emotions, so he quarrels with his younger sister throughout the day, becomes angry when he being asked to study, starts throwing various articles here and there. Inequalities of emotions are observed due to occurrence of physical changes during adolescence. Number D, how can boys and girls of Raju's age change their behavior? Explained clearly. Adolescence is characterized by excess of emotions. Inequalities of emotions are observed due to occurrence of physical changes. Adolescents, like Raju, can bring changes in such behaviors in the following ways. Number 1, learning to sort out the positive aspects of an event. Number 2, building up a habit of avoiding complicated situation. Number 3, avoiding situation of disappointment. Number 4, participating in work and games in groups. Number 5, trying to avoid events which cause anger, fear, etc. Number 6, discussing problems openly with parents and friends. Okay, dear student, hope you have understood our today's topic. There is no homework today, so see you next class. Thank you all of you.